Want to make money online without showing your face? I have something completely done for you that will get you started fast. I'm giving you a high-quality ebook already written for you and a ready-made funnel so you can rebrand it, make it yours, and start generating leads and sales today. Stay with me and I'll show you how you can edit this ebook, import the funnel in one click, and start monetizing immediately. This ebook, called The Ultimate Faceless Beginner's Blueprint, is a step-by-step guide to building a profitable business online without ever showing your face. It's designed for complete beginners, walking you through everything from choosing a niche to monetizing strategies. You get full PLR, private label rights, meaning you can put your own name on it, rebrand it and sell it. Use it as a digital product and keep 100% profit, or use it as a lead magnet for free in exchange for emails to build your own list. The notice here, you have to change the name and the cover of the ebook. This is highly recommended. It's pretty easily doable here. You can press it and change the cover, change the name, you can change the colors as well. This is a shortcut to establishing yourself in a faceless niche without spending weeks writing content. Now, to make things even easier for you, I've built also a completely done-for-you funnel inside System.io. It's a high converting opt-in page, capture leads in autopilot. If you change the cover image, also remember to change the name and cover. Also down here. To get the images like this, you can use DIYbookcovers.com to get covers like that. And also here is a professional thank you page. Builds trust and directs people to take action. You'll change your link here in these buttons when you have them. And down there you can have your offers, affiliate offers or your own digital products. If you don't have your own digital products, you can use these ones. These both have affiliate offers. You can find them under Dashboard Marketplace. You can find them here. For example, first 1K funnel. Promote offer will have your affiliate link already built in it if you're logged in your System.io account. So with just one click, you can import this entire funnel in your System.io account, customize it, and launch. No need to hire designers, copywriters, or tech experts. Everything is done for you. So here's how to grab this right now. Click the first link in the description to get the Ultimate Faceless Beginner's Blueprint fully customizable. Sign up for System.io free account using my link. It's my go-to tool for launching funnels. And then you can import the funnel, customize your ebook, and start monetizing today. It's that simple, a done-for-you system that lets you build a brand and generate income with faceless strategies. Everything's ready for you. You just need to take action. If you're serious about building a passive income online, don't wait, grab this free blueprint and funnel today. And if you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. I'd love to hear how you're using this. This is the fastest way to start monetizing faceless business. Let's get started.